Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create social media posts with AI. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and visit this website right here. It's Spreadis.ai. So this is what we are going to be using in order to create our posts. So first things first, go ahead and click try for free. And then from here, I want you to go ahead and sign in with the following. You can go ahead and just use this one right here, or you can use your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with Google just like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this account right here. All right, so now that we are in the dashboard, you have the option here to create a new one. So I'm going to click this, and then there are different posts that you can create. So we have text to post, e-com product post, and so many others. So again, what we are going to use is this one right here, text to post. So I'm going to click this one right here. And then what I'm going to use here is just this one here, tips in losing weight. And then from here, we're just going to use image. So I'm just going to use image in this case. You have the option for video, carousel, and so many others. But yeah, image is going to be okay for me. Or maybe carousel is going to be okay. At least we can have a lot of photos. So number of variants, I'm just going to go ahead and increase it to 2. I'm just going to show you that we can have different variations that we can choose. And then post design, I'm just going to let AI do that one for me. Media for posts, you can choose one from your own, so you can upload an image or video, or if you want to use the stock assets, you can definitely use them. So yeah, again, I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to go ahead and click generate. All right, there you go. So we have two options here. I'm just going to go ahead and click carousel here. We have two. Here you go. So I'm going to go ahead and click the first one in here, and we're going to check the images. So that's the image number 1 here, and then we have the second one here, the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So yeah, after checking everything and once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and download this one, and that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.